If you watched the first two sessions, you might be wondering, why did it start with confusion? Why police? Why stress? Because for many immigrants, that's what America feels like at the beginning. But every story starts somewhere. And for most of us, it starts here, at the airport. You've just entered a dimension called America, where everyone speaks English, but not the English you've learned. Welcome. You are not lost. You just arrived. My name is Max, and I am an immigrant. I survived this English, and I'm here to help you do the same. If you are watching this video, you are coming to America, or someone you love is following your footsteps. The airport is your first test, not of truth, but of paperwork. In America, the system doesn't care how tired you are, but it loves paperwork. Before you land, make sure to fill out every form they give you. And if you're not sure which one it is, or if you need one, fill it out anyway. In America, there is no such thing as too much paperwork. The moment of arrival. You land, you're tired, you are nervous, but you're hopeful. You're probably holding a folder, and all your life is in it. Welcome to America, and please stand in line. What the airport really is. The airport is not a welcome party. It's a filter. America doesn't start with a smile. It starts with a question. Officials will figure out what they need, as long as you have something to choose from. When you talk to the officer is not angry. The officer is not your friend either. The officer is doing his job. He's there for many hours. A very repetitive job. Your goal is not to be interesting. Your goal is to be clear. Here are some common questions that you're going to be asked. Why are you coming to the United States? Answer simple, and it might sound like, I'm here visiting my family. I'm here for work. I'm moving here. Another question might be, how long are you staying? And you might say 2 weeks, 6 months, whatever that might be. Tell them in a short form. Next question, where are you staying? And the answer might be at the hotel, at my sister's house, or at my house. Whatever that might be. Answer in a short form once again. And the next question will be, do you have documents? And the answer should be very simple, very short, yes. And then just stop. The most important rule in this situation Answer the question and then stop. Do not explain your whole life story. They have podcasts for that. You might experience language barrier. If you don't understand, say it early. I'm still learning English. Say it calmly. Say it early. This helps you. This slows everything down. That is good. If you're traveling with children, they need paperwork too. Even babies. Yes, even babies. America believes in documentation from birth. You are entering a country where there are 4 sizes of coffee cups, and none of them are small. They are confused too. What not to do. Do not joke. Do not use sarcasm. Do not try to be clever. Custom officers do not get paid by laughter. The big picture. Do not fight the system. Use the system. Push the right buttons. Pull the right levels. Keep the English simple. This is how it starts. Before the road, before the police stop, before the confusion. This is the door. This is how to speak American, 1 mile at a time. You are not alone, and you are not the first one to walk through it. Welcome to America.